Okay, I'll just show you how to set the Sat Nav in this SKODA Octavia. So from any screen, onto Nav, you've got all your stuff down here, settings, media, view, that's your menu, new destination. So we want new destination, country, United Kingdom, city, enter city. Well, now down here, this is a bit confusing. You go to enter the city and then you see PTCD, which means postcode, and is the easiest way to enter an address. Then you've got like loads of space between these other things here. Why not just put postcode? I just don't understand designers and manufacturers. So that's the thing to click, postcode. Now ABC or numbers. So numbers again, making it difficult. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Preston, PR. Now we need to go to numbers, so we've got to click numbers there. PR5, 4, back to numbers, J, and then S. Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR5, 4JS. We'll click on that, and then you've got start here, or you can store it.
Being calculated. Please select a route.
Then it gives you 3 routes. It's too much choice. Green, I assume, is the shortest and quickest, and so on. But we're only down the road, so it's not going to make much difference. Whatever. So that's it. We'll select the green one.
Please follow the B6230 for 1 mile.
So that's it. That's what you do. Now, if I click again. You've got route there, Preston, start route guidance, add stopover, so stop route guidance, that's the one we want, so it doesn't keep chipping in.